Today we're going to talk about my Urban Sketcher setup. Here's at a glance what they are. Of course you have the Sketchbook, which I won't talk about, but I use this Palomino Black Wing with its eraser. It's very funky. It allows you to shave off the graphite separately from the wood. The next one is actually Copic White plus some Kuretake White opaque just for the highlights. Any fountain pen, that's a Twisby fountain pen. You can use any, it doesn't really matter. I use this Chinese made water brush, 6 of them. I don't use it for the different sizes, but I use it because I need more to have clean colors basically. Spritzer, very important to have a spritzer around to keep your colors alive, moist and so on. Clips, very important to hold your sketchbook down sometimes when a wind gets to it. 2 water buckets and a 16 well water palette. I have a separate video on this. If you're interested, go take a look. I'll put a link up there. It's good enough for me to carry all the colors I need, and it's also, you know, sort of stick on top of one of the bucket, and it's very, very useful. So that's it. I think that's my setup. Oh, don't forget racks and tissue. I hope that helps. I hope if you like this sort of video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.